Hi, I'm James from Arksen. Last time we did one of these, it was at the Southampton boat show on the Arksen28. Today we're at Düsseldorf and we're on the Arksen30, our fabulous weekend explorer vessel. Inside at the helm station, we've got a super comfortable, very safe driving position. Really nice setup with a big Simrad plotter. This boat's been spec'd with twin 250 Mercury, so you've got your twin throttles. It's also got the joystick parking, which means driving these boats is an absolute dream. Up forward, we have the cabin with two berths for sleeping. And on this side, we have the dining area where you can comfortably sit 4 people. Same table drops outside, so you can have 6 people for dining outside. So it's a great place to entertain. It's also a great place just to get away for the weekend, take some paddleboards, take some foils, just go off and have some fun for a while. Everything about this boat is all about the gentle, soft, subtle touches. The little leather grips, the wireless phone chargers, all the fabric's beautiful. We've got the Alcantara on this boat in the jungle spec. So there's really lovely, cool, muted greens match the green exterior. At the end of the day, this is a great, fun, fabulous vessel for going off, having an adventure and having fun.